Okay, so let's talk about network marketing, lead generation. We all know if you're actually in a direct sales, many people are always trying to figure out how do I get more leads? How can I get more people to see my business opportunity, my product, or my service? So let me go over actually a few things real quick. I'm going to minimize my window. I'm going to show you some PowerPoints, and then I'm going to show you some great tools and tricks that you can do to generate a lot of leads. Unlimited amount of leads. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to do that here. But let me actually go ahead and minimize my window. Let's get right into it. So, network marketing, lead generation. Right, the traditional way that we are all taught is to basically go out, right, and you want to recruit a massive amount of people. This is the way that we're all taught. Doesn't matter what business opportunity you're in. You know, they pretty much just tell you, hey, look, traditional ways, right? Make a list of family and friends, cold market, warm market, right? Then you're going to actually get them to the home meetings, right? We're going to get them to the one-on-one meetings. Maybe your uplines are teaching, hey, look, just do three-way calls, edify me, get me on the phone call, and we'll get them into the business that way or pique their interest. And then another one that a lot of companies will do is they'll have what they call Super Saturday trainings, or maybe they have their monthly regional trainings and stuff like that. Right, so these are the traditional ways how you actually go out and you recruit all these people, right? Like, what do they teach you? Hey, listen, you go out and just get 3 or get 5, and then we're going to teach you how to duplicate the process. But let's be real, that's why you're on this video. It's not that easy, and it doesn't always work like that, right? A lot of people are like, oh gosh, here comes Jason with his new thing again, another one of his ideas, right? So the process that they teach you is very, very complicated, and all they're talking about is promote, just talk to people, market, business opportunities, home meetings, all this stuff. We're all sick of that. Listen, I'm going to show you on this video, we're going to keep this pretty short and sweet to the point, but what if there was an easier way? What if there was an easier way to help you get more leads, right? And more eyeballs onto your opportunity, right? Look, here it is right here. I'm going to show you the easy way, and I'm not here to say that the traditional way doesn't work right here. Making a list, home meetings, one-on-ones, three-way calls, Super Saturdays, regional meetings, XYZ. But we can all agree that it's complicated, right? You run out of your warm market. Nobody wants to be pitched anything anymore, right? So it's tough because I'm going to show you the easy way. But I actually used to be in direct sales, and I was sold into that idea too, that it was that easy, but it's not that easy. So many people, anytime you approach them, like, oh gosh, here comes one of those pyramid things again, right? But look, if I could show you an easier way how you could literally get unlimited amounts of people coming into your opportunity, having eyeballs, see whatever kind of product or service that you use, would that be awesome? Absolutely, right? So look, here it is. This is what I'm going to show you. There's the easy way. I'm going to show you the easy way right here in a second, and then the hard way. The hard way doesn't mean you can't have success. There's just a lot of detours in the maze, as you can see in this example, right? This is the analogy I'm trying to give you. So, what is the easy way? The easy way is I'm going to teach you and show you here in this video how you actually can build what we call a funnel, okay? And a funnel is basically just another term of saying I'm going to show you how to get unlimited amount of eyeballs to look at your product or service without having to make a list, without having to do hotel meetings, without having to get into the trainings, without having to do one-on-one phone calls, without having to edify your leader. Look, that sounds crazy, right? That's why you're on this YouTube video, and that's why you search for it, right? So, what is a funnel? Basically, how does it work? Look, here's a diagram right here, okay? So, basically what a funnel is we're going to build essentially almost like a website or slash like a landing page, and I'll show you what that here is in a second. And we're literally going to try to get eyeballs to this potential landing page, or you could say one-page website. And we're going to basically just, like a magnet you can see in this example, we're going to get them to come find us. We're not going to go find them. Now, you can still go find them, and you can get them in front of your opportunity or your offer, and I'm going to show you how to do that. But basically the way it works, as you can see right here, this little thing representing these people, right? They come to a magnet, and we're going to get them into the funnel. What is the funnel? The funnel, again, is almost like essentially saying it's your website, where we're going to actually show them what your product or your opportunity is, okay? And then once they come into the funnel, you get X amount of leads, and then those leads right here turn into what we call dollar signs. We get the money, right? That's what we all want. We either want to build an organization where we can sell more products and services. Yes? Okay, great. So let's go into it. So what is a funnel? Okay, a funnel is basically, again, it's a lead generation system, and I'm gonna actually show you one and build one with you. And all we're doing is we're basically getting right here, we're getting our prospects and interested prospects, right? We're getting warm leads and hot leads into this funnel, and essentially, metaphorically speaking, we want to channel them into the funnel to get them in front of your opportunity, right? At the end of the day, it is all a numbers game, okay? It's a numbers game, and the more people that you actually get to your potential offer, the more potential recruits you can have to sign up for business partners or customers you can have selling the product or service, whatever deal that you're in. I'm not pitching one deal here. I'm just saying you could do this for anything, okay? Even if you're an online affiliate marketer, same concept. But again, it's a numbers game. So let me give you an analogy, right? We all know that the traditional way of building a list, getting into the hotel meeting, doing the three-way calls, that takes time, right? And you always run out of people. But we also know that no matter how many people we get into a meeting, we get them to the hotel meeting, you have a home party at your house, you're doing the phone calls, you only can get to so many people, right? And we understand that out of those so many people, there's only a small percentage of those people that are actually going to either join your opportunity, let alone buy your product or service, okay? So we know it's all a numbers game, right? We just talked about it was a numbers game. But let's just use this as an example, okay? Because this is really the statistic. This is about the average. You can say roughly about 10%. That might be a little bit over conservative, but let's just use this as an analogy, okay? So let's just say that you had 1,000 people that you potentially could to get eyeballs onto your product or your service. And let's just say out of 1,000 people that potentially look, 100 of those people want to be becoming, let's just say what we like to call like a warm lead. Like in this diagram, we're going to call them a prospect, okay? Now, out of those 10 people, and as you can see, 1,000 leads, again, this is just metaphoric, this is an analogy, okay? And I'm going to show you how to do this. And most people are like, damn, I don't even have 1,000 people on my list, and that's what my upline told me to do. Don't worry. Stay with me, because I'm going to show you how you can do this and get thousands of people to look at your product or your service, okay? So, example, we're going to use 10% is the actual conversion. So let's just say 1,000 people come and look at your offer, meaning let's just happen to say they went to the hotel meeting. That's not going to happen, but the analogy is that so you can help understand that, right? 1,000 people come to look at your presentation or to look at your product or your service. Let's say out of 1,000, 100 of those people, 10%, are actually interested in potentially learning more about your product or service, okay? Now, out of that, about 10% of those people will wind up becoming either customers or potential, I guess you could say, partners or whatever kind of opportunity that you're in. Does this make sense? Great. All right, so let's do an example. I just want to fly through this. I just wanted to kind of give you the example of this. Let's do a quick recap. I'm just going to fly through it again. So traditional network marketing, go out, you get 3 people, they get 5, we duplicate, right? The traditional, the home meetings, the one-on-ones, 3-way calls, all that stuff. Go out, recruit, right? Go ahead, just talk about your business opportunity, blah, puke all over them. No, don't do that. We're going to do it the easy way, right? I'm going to take you straight through the maze instead of going all the way around. We're going to learn how to recreate a funnel. We're going to build a funnel real quick. I'm going to show you what I do for my business, okay, and show you how it works. And you can actually click on the link below in the description to see exactly how this works. This is how you found me, right? We're going to get them. We're going to show them what the funnel is. They're going to come into my little funnel. They're going to learn about my product or my service or bring it into my world. Metaphorically speaking, analogy-wise, this could be your world, right? We're going to get them in there. They're going to come in. They're going to become prospects. It's a numbers game, right? We already went through that. Here's our example. We're going to get so many amount of people to look at our opportunity. Some of those people are going to become potential prospects that want to buy our product or our service, and then we'll get 10% of that. Woo! Okay, I'm out of breath. Well, hopefully that was quick enough. You understand it. Now what I'm going to do is show you exactly what I mean. Okay, so let's do this. I'm going to pull up. So this is a software that I use. You'll see the link down in the description. It's called ClickFunnels, okay? It's run by a guy by name Russell Brunson. He created this software. It is freaking amazing, okay? I'm going to show you how this basically works. So it's a funnel. You can learn about this later. You can actually sign up for a 14-day trial if you're interested, if you want to get unlimited leads into your business opportunity, if you want to get limited leads, right? Because what do we say we want to do? We want to make this, we want to make it easy, right? So let's go ahead. I'm going to show you how the software works. Let me give you a quick example of how this thing works. So I actually built this page. Let me show you what this looks like. I'm going to actually put this in a URL, and I built this with inside the software. So this is an opportunity that actually I am involved in. And if people want to learn about what I do, so think about this. I'm essentially inviting them to what we like to call the hotel meeting, the one-on-one, the home party, the 3-way call, get them on the phone with your upline. But you know what? I'm making this all digital. Again, what am I doing? I am making it Easy, right? I'm giving you the example right here. So what happens is they come to my funnel, right? And you guys can experience this. Go click on the link below in the description. You'll see how this works. If they want to work with me and my partner, other 8-figure earners, and they want to learn about my business, we basically teach you how to build a web page. I've done this all through the software I just showed you. Learn more, again, click in the description. But watch what happens. They're going to go right here. They're going to say, I want to learn more. Okay, yeah, Jason, what do you got? I'm going to put my name in. I'm going to put my email, right? And I want to say, okay, well, what do you have to offer? So essentially what I'm doing, okay, is I am bringing them to my business meeting, my Super Saturday, my one-on-one phone call, blah, blah, blah. And I'm literally just have a video explaining of whatever my product or service is. Does this make sense? Are you guys having light bulbs go off if you're not already doing this? All I'm doing is I'm getting into my product or service, and here's the video. I'm not going to play it out loud for you, but you guys get the idea. They come into here, they see my product, they see our story, they see how it works, and guess what? Now they're in my world. If they see the opportunity, at the end of this video, there's actually going to be a little button that will pop up where they actually can join me or buy my product or my service. How badass is that? So guys, if this is exciting to you, imagine how could you use this and actually, you might be saying to yourself, well, I don't get it. How can I get this in front of, I don't know, thousands of people, like you said in that one example? How can thousands of people see this? Very simple, guys. You're going to use the power of social media, just like you're seeing right now on this YouTube channel, let alone Facebook. I'll have our Facebook link down here also in the description. Connect with me and Colton with 6-Figure Profit, and we actually have a free 5-day training teaching you these strategies to show you how you can get unlimited leads with a funnel and how to do it the right way and how to do it properly, okay? But before I go, let me show you one other tool that you can use this. So people say, well, how do I get these leads? How do I get unlimited people coming in to look at my product or service? So once you have this funnel set up, right, through this software, let me go back to the software, okay? I literally can go in here. Once you get in, 14-day trial period if you're interested, but I can go in here and I can edit this page. Let me just give you an example of how this works. It's so super, super simple. I can change all this. I can change the images. I can change the buttons. If you have a video to your presentation, let me go back. So that's how I build this. We have templates already designed in here for you. Okay. If you like ours, reach out to us. We'll give you our share links as long as you're getting ClickFunnels. We go to the video page. So once they opt in and they give me their email, now here's the key. Not only are they learning about my product or service, but now I have their email. So guess what? Now I can communicate with them on a daily basis through email. Now, I didn't say one-on-one. I didn't say follow-up phone call. I didn't say get them on the phone with my leader. I do it through email, which is all automation, right? These people are going to find me. I'm not finding them. How would you like to become the hunted instead of the hunter, right? That's how you're going to do this with this software. So when they opt into that page, it basically brings them to this other page, which you guys just saw just like this. Let me show you how to do this. If you have the software, you can come in here and you can edit. Let's just say you want to talk to them about your product or your service with your network marketing or direct sales company. You literally can just put the video right here of a presentation if you guys have one. Hopefully they're a company that has something like that. You have a video that explains your opportunity. And then boom, you can have a button right here that basically says buy or join my business. It's that simple. How cool is that, right? Now, let me show you how we do this on steroids. So for example, if I go to social media, this is how we get unlimited leads. Guys, listen, if you see right here on my profile, feel free to look me and Colton up. Colton is Colton Havens. I'm Jason Flynn. Look us up. They go right here on our page. Guess, look at this. I no longer hunt people. People come to me. They see this image. Watch what happens. They click on this image. What is this little thing right here Jason's got on his profile? They click on that. Guess where it takes them? It takes them to an offer. Okay, for this one, for example, I actually teach network marketers just like yourself how to get unlimited leads for their business. How cool is that? Exactly what I'm teaching you guys, right? They come here, they put their name and their email in, boom, they buy the product or the service. How simple is that? Now, one other tool. Let me show you how you put this on steroids, okay? How do we get those thousands of people to look at us every single day? Let me show you how to actually put this on steroids, because in network marketing, they teach us, look, go make a list of their list. Some network marketing companies are teaching, go hang out in the mall. Have you guys ever been approached or they teach you, like, go to Walmart and Target? Don't do that. Nobody wants to be like Pitch. It still happens to this day, and it blows my mind. And there's nothing wrong with it. It worked 30 years ago, but not in the new age. Everybody can smell it. Like, oh crap, here comes another one of those things, right? But how can you do this on steroids where you don't have to pitch somebody? You use your social media pages. You use the software that I just showed you, right? But let me show you also a software. I'm going to put the link in the description. Let me go back to my page. Okay. I'm going to actually show you how you can literally be on social media. Watch this, guys. If you're still here, stay, because this is powerful. This is how it all communicates. You guys can learn more about me and Colton by joining our group. But let me just show you how you literally, let me just search for this. Network marketing. Let's do this. Network marketing, right? I'm going to search this, okay? You can do this manually, but what if I can show you how you can get people in the thousands, right? Look at this group right here. You can start joining all these groups. I'm going to actually just go to groups. Look at all these groups. So, for example, I'm going to click on a group. I'm just going to go ahead and click on, let's do this one right here. Okay, I'm already a member, so you got to apply and you got to join the group, okay? Once you're inside here, you go over here. Look at this. This has got 153,000 people. Listen, do you think if you're in network marketing, you might find other network marketers that are sick and tired of maybe their business because maybe your opportunity is better and it kicks ass? Check this out. I click on this right here. Okay, it pulls up all the members, 153,000 people in this group. Now there's multiple groups. Now watch this. Look at all these people right here. All these people that are part of this group. Let me show you something. You're going to see the link in the description below here. Me and Colton, we got a software that we use. This is how we generate. Look, remember, this is how I get thousands of leads into my funnel looking at my business opportunity every single day, every single week, every single month. It's on autopilot. I'm not doing anything. Okay, so let me go back and let me show you how it works. I have the funnel. I showed you how to do that, right? And then all I do is I got a software. Watch this. I'm going to turn my software on, and for this sake, I'm going to turn it on really quick. I'm going to go ahead and hit run. You can learn more about the software in the group. I put this thing on let me go back. Hold on. It is running. Where's she at? Where's she at? Let's go back to the members real quick. Ah, goodness, great. Of course, this always happens, right? So let's go back. I'm going to go back here. Let me go ahead and just refresh this. I'm going to go back over here to where it says members. Let me open it back up. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually turn the software on because I want you to see how it works. Okay, I'm going to turn the software on. I'm going to hit run. And then as you can see, right here, look at this thing. How would you like to be inviting all these people to your home meeting, to your one-on-one? But literally, guys, what are we doing? As I'm doing it virtually. They now come to my world. They basically hit my page. And guess what? They click on my images. They go to my funnel. This is how I get them in front of massive amounts of people. If you want to learn more about this software, it's in the description below as well. Go on, click on that. You will basically turn your marketing on steroids, and I'm telling you, you can get unlimited leads, and you can start connecting with people who, guess what, are already, look, this is your target audience, right? People always ask me, well, where would I go to go find people who are interested in stuff that I do? Right here on social media. You're doing it on YouTube. That's how you found us, right? I would go right here and search all these groups. I have my software. Look at this thing. Friend request, boom, 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 boom. Forget going to the malls and prospecting people and trying to get lists of their friends. You guys see how this works? Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and stop the software. You guys want to learn more about that? You'll see a link in the description. Hopefully this video gave you some value and ideas of how to get more people into your network marketing or direct sales group. Guys, this is it. This is how I put it on steroids. I have literally built organizations into the thousands using these principles. And we literally make hundreds, if not thousands of dollars per day using these simple strategies. Okay, so hey, hopefully this helped you. Hopefully this gives you some ideas. Hopefully your brain is spinning. If you want to learn about the software that we have or the ClickFunnels, what we use to actually build those pages to get people to opt in and come in, guys, click on the button below. You'll see it in the description, this link. Hey, if this gave you value, give us a comment. Let us know. Give us a thumbs up. If you don't like it, who cares? Get off the page. This is only for people that we want to help. So with that being said, I'm Jason Flynn with Six Figure Profit. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and you're going to be getting tons and tons of value from me and Colton. See you on the next video. Take care.